Hola, welcome back to Mas con Maria. Let's get cooking. To start off, you will need to rub oil on your hands or wear gloves. If the chiles have a tail, remove the tail. Make a slit with a knife or kitchen scissors. Open the chile and remove the seeds and veins. Rinse the chiles in warm water. Repeat this step until the water is mostly clear. Place the chiles in a pot, add hot water, and cover. Place the chiles in the plunger with some of the liquid and add the garlic, spices, chicken bouillon, and salt, then puree until smooth. Set up a pot or container of your choice and a strainer. Pour the puree and use a spoon or utensil of your choice. Stir the puree while applying pressure to help it go through the strainer. Repeat these steps until all the chiles have been pureed. Scrape the chiles left on the strainer and puree again. Keep in mind that the marinade should be a little bit on the saltier side, so taste and adjust the seasoning as needed. Remove the excess fat and sinew from the meat. Since we don't have a lot of prep space, my mom breaks down the meat in a sink that has already been scrubbed down and cleaned. You can either make the marinade first and set aside and then break down the meat, or vice versa, whatever works best for you. Cut the meat and portion it into large chunks. Rinse the meat. Set up a large vaporetto and add 2 gallons of water. Submerge the meat in the marinade and place it in the vaporetto in a circular motion. Add 8 to 10 bay leaves and an onion per layer. Repeat these steps until all the meat is marinated. Pour the remaining marinade in the vaporetto. Seal the vaporetto with aluminum foil. Allow the meat to marinate overnight for the best flavor. If you're short on time, allow it to marinate for at least 4 to 6 hours. Place the vaporetto on the stove on high heat for about 1 hour or until it boils. Once it boils, bring the heat down to medium and cook it for about 3 hours or until fork tender. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, and if you're new, subscribe. Hasta pronto!